I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for, no ma'am.
We've got an absolute belter today, a full-on sovereign citizen who gets completely shut down by a no-nonsense judge during a hearing for driving without insurance. She tries the classic, "The law doesn't apply to me," routine because she's not a citizen. But it all unravels spectacularly as the judge puts her in her place again and again. It's chaotic, it's baffling, and honestly, you couldn't script it. If you enjoy this kind of madness, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As
or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this woman think she is, honestly? She's trying to get the whole case thrown out because she claims she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. How does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the rules. Simple as that, and that includes having valid insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of made-up legal jargon is going to magically change that. What do you lot think? Are these so-called sovereign citizens completely off the rails, or do they actually have a leg to stand on? Let's dive back in.
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Things are about to get even more heated than in the last hearing. This woman completely blows her lid as the judge calmly dismantles her arguments one by one. I honestly don't get how she's acting like buying car insurance is some impossible task. It's not a secret government plot. It's just there to keep everyone on the road safe. The judge is about to hit her with some solid facts, and she does not take it well. She just keeps digging herself deeper and deeper. Let me know what you all think in the comments, but for now, let's jump into the next hearing and see how it all unfolds.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm an attorney in fact. Listen.
Every time a so-called sovereign citizen throws around the term attorney of fact, it just leaves me baffled. They treat it like some magic phrase that's going to win their case. But that's not how the legal system works. If this woman wants to represent herself or act as some sort of separate entity in court, she'd need an actual license number, just like any qualified solicitor or barrister. You can't simply invent your own rules in a courtroom. It's wild how often these arguments pop up.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice? Janvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Janvier Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Let me know what you think about this hearing. Were you more on the side of the judge's straightforward approach or the sovereign citizen's unique interpretation of the law? Personally, I think the judge handled it brilliantly, calm, clear, and totally unfazed by the noise. You sometimes see judges giving too much room to these kinds of arguments, and it never really helps anyone. It's usually best to stay firm, keep things moving, and stick to the actual law. But what do you reckon? Did the judge handle it just right, or should she have been a bit stricter? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and take care.